Let's create an activity in Pipeliner CRM mobile app. I like to create my activities associated with my opportunities, but you don't have to. You can create them when you're in an account record, a contact record, or lead. I'm going to have an activity and I'm going to make a phone call with Red Services, my potential sale. So I'm going to open up the Red Services opportunity, go to the activities menu on the top of the page, and click on the plus sign in the lower right corner. And then an appointment is a meeting that you might have. A task is something that you might do, and you can make a choice of either one of those. I'm going to make a phone call, and that's something I'm going to do. So I'm going to call it a task. And in the tasks menu, when you click on the drop down, all of the potential tasks are listed here. So I'm going to make a phone call, and I'm going to type in my subject for the call. I'm going to put in this description so I make sure I talk about certain things. I can set a priority. I can also set a status because if I've already made that call, I can mark it as completed. If I'm in the middle of making the call, I can mark it as in progress or whatever you consider or deem as waiting or deferred. I'm going to set it as not started because I'm going to do this task sometime next week, and I set it to be a due date of next week. I can set Pipeliner to remind me to do the task if I wanted to. That's called set a reminder. I like to set reminders on the same day that I'm going to do that particular activity. So I'm going to set it for the 21st. And then I can set it for a specific time, so it will remind me. I like to be reminded first thing in the morning when I first get in. So I'm going to set my reminder for maybe 8:40 a.m. And then the save button is in the upper right corner. But before you click on save, notice that it's already linked to the opportunity called Red Services. But I'd like to also link to this to the account record, which is the potential company that I might do business with, and that is Red Inc. So I'm going to check off Red Inc. and then I'm going to click on Done in the upper right corner. So now it's linked to the opportunity as well as the company that I might do business with. And if you wanted to, you can link one more time. So I'm going to click on Add Linked Items, and this time instead of linking to an account record, I'm going to link it to the contact, the people that I might be talking to help me close the deal. So all of this activity would be linked to those people as well. And when I create a report on all of my accounts and the activities with them, all of my contacts that work at that company, my activities with them, this activity would appear. And now I'm done. I'm going to click on the upper right hand side, the save button. So there's my initial call. I have 7 more days before I have to make the call. It is not started. There's the due date. And I can see all of the details about that activity as well as put in any comments. I can also attach a document related to that activity if I wanted to. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session on how to create an activity in Pipeliner's mobile app CRM. Thank you.